Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best roll-up tonneau covers on Amazon. Payload capacity is essential. Either way, it's the bed that really makes it the vehicle of your dreams. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Trucksport Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The Trucksport takes the pick for best overall for several reasons. This line of covers is one of the most affordable on the market, which is something the average truck owner is definitely going to appreciate. It's not just some cheap piece of vinyl, though. It offers excellent protection from the elements, installs with ease, and the fit and finish certainly won't drag your prized truck down in style points. It's also backed by a solid 5-year warranty to offer peace of mind to the owner. It's certainly not the most refined piece of equipment. Issues with alignment during installation can drive owners of some models nuts. As could the exceptionally tight fit in some cases, making it worth reading the reviews to ensure it's a good choice for your exact truck. What we like about it: affordable price point, excellent protection against elements, easy installation. What don't we like about it? Fit can be exceptionally tight. Alignment has to be perfect for proper sealing. Number 2. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The aesthetic appeal of Gator's ETX alone makes it worthy of your consideration. It's no one-trick pony, though. The low-profile design offers the practical advantage of leaving the stake pockets exposed, allowing you to make use of them for tie-downs and bedside rails as necessary. It also sits at an economical price point that's sure to win over many truck owners. Despite that, it still has exceptional protection against the elements and is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, making it a clear choice for the Best Value Award. What we like about it: affordable price point, leaves stake pockets uncovered, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. What don't we like about it? Quality isn't the best. Single latch allows the cover to come loose in harsh conditions. Number 3. Back Revolver X4's Hardrolling Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Back Revolver X4's is the clear choice if you want max security from a roll-up tonneau cover. Underneath the tasteful vinyl layering lies a sheet of aluminum panels. While aluminum isn't the hardest metal, it's certainly not something thieves can slash through with any old knife in seconds. Pairing it with a locking tailgate means anything in the bed is going to take serious effort to access. It also leaves the stake pocket holes wide open, rolls neatly to the cabin, and is backed by a solid 5-year guarantee. The obvious drawback is the price, as this cover costs nearly 5 times as much as the average rolling tonneau. Also, it seems that the rubber seals are something of a problem area, and the cover will leak once the adhesive separates. What we like about it: unmatched security. Does not cover stake pockets. Backed by a 5-year guarantee. What don't we like about it? Premium price point. Rubber seals tend to fail. Number 4. Lund Genesis Elite Roll-Up Soft Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Lund's Genesis Elite is the way to go if you're looking for something low maintenance. Unlike most covers, this does not feature the same vinyl material that requires special care to maintain. Instead, it uses a premium matte canvas that's a lot more resilient and simple to care for. That said, it is still a Lund cover, which means you're getting the best in terms of quality, and the cover is waterproof. Throw in the lifetime guarantee, and this cover is hard to ignore. What we like about it: low maintenance materials used, high durability, lifetime guarantee. What don't we like about it? Relatively high price. Fitment issues are common. Number 5. Extang Revolution Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Extang's Revolution Soft Tonneau Cover is a prime example of what makes the name such a titan in this segment. The quality is standard setting, and this tonneau is sure to endure anything a soft cover should, and then some. The flush low-profile fit looks better than OE and is an obvious draw for any application. Beyond that, installation is simple and headache-free, as is that latch-and-go operation. As for the downsides, the cost is going to scare a few potential customers away, as there are more affordable but equally as solid options out there. Furthermore, the presence of quality control issues, despite that high price, is what keeps it from the top of this list. What we like about it: quality construction, excellent fit and finish, easy operation. What don't we like about it? Expensive. Quality control issues are too common for price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.